As commercial feed prices continue to rise, one farmer in Nueva Ecija has found a low-cost alternative in Azolla, an aquatic fern that's also become an additional source of income. Mobile journalist Daniel Dayaw has this report.
With the rising costs of commercial feeds in the Philippines, a farmer in Nueva Ecija turned to Azolla, an aquatic fern that has become a low-cost livestock feed and another source of income.
Solo farming is the best alternative foods for animal. At kaya ngayon, hinihikayat ko ang lahat ng mga kapwa ko livestock farming na mag-asola dahil napakagandang alternative foods po ito. Bukod sa mayaman sa protein, kaya niyang survive ang pang-araw-araw ng ating mga alaga.
What started as a simple experiment grew into something bigger. From a single basin, Alvin now manages 9 ponds of Azolla. Besides being protein-rich, he says Azolla is easy to grow, requiring minimal maintenance as it thrives in water containers in just a few days.
Naglagay lang po ako sa isang parang plangganang maliit, hindi po siya puno. 2 to 3 days, napuno na po na siya. Ayun ma'am, nag-harvest ako ng kaunti, binigyan ko yung alaga ko. Talagang gustong-gusto nila. Doon ako na-excite, sabi ko. Ito na yung sagot doon sa pagtaas ng commercial feeds na matagal ko nang hinahanap.
And as demand for Azolla continues to grow, Alvin says his combined farm earnings now reached around 2 to 3,000 pesos per day.
Para sa akin po, ang Azolla is miracle. Isa siyang himala. Pag hinarbisan niyo po siya ngayon, ang 30 to 50%, kinabukasan po, babalik at babalik po yun. Maganda po talaga yung pasok ng kita. Kasi naibebenta mo sa magandang presyo yung mga alaga mo na ang ginagastos mo ay hindi ganon kalaki. At sa bentahan naman po ng Azolla, talaga pong mami-maintain po natin yung 2 to 3K a day.
But beyond its potential as a livestock feed, Alvin also shares that Azolla helps reduce odor on his farm, making it more manageable for him and neighbors nearby.
Unang-una, ang nagiging problema po ng owner ng mga farm, yung ammonia, yung baho sa farm, yung langaw. Ito man, pagka may Azolla yung ipinakain mo dun sa alaga mo, talaga ma'am, nawawala po yung ammonia, yung amoy. Kahit may kapitbahay ka, kung magagalit at hindi ka po nila ibabarangay kasi okay dun sa farm mo, nang walang langaw, walang amoy.
Today, Alvin continues to explore more ways to maximize Azolla, from developing biofertilizer to producing manufactured feeds.
Minsan, pag pinapakain natin ng fresh Azolla yung mga alaga natin, minsan naghahanap po yan ng mga other ingredients tulad rice bran. Habang dumadami po yung Azolla natin, ginagawa na rin na po natin siyang feeds or pellet para hindi po nasasayang yung pagdami ng Azolla.
Kapatid Mobile Journalist Daniel Dayaw, we are One News.